inclusion compounds. Next topic. Inclusion compounds are two types. फर्स्ट चैनल, सेकंड केज कह दें या क्लेथरेट भी कह सकते हैं, क्लेथरेट कंपाउंड। देखें, दिस टाइप ऑफ एडिशन कंपाउंड्स, कौन से इंक्लूजन कंपाउंड्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ एडिशन कंपाउंड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईथर, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट दिस सॉरी दोबारा सुना, दिस टाइप ऑफ एडिशन कंपाउंड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आइदर द EDA complex or the crown ether. Here the host forms a crystal lattice which has space large enough for the guest to fit into. There is no wedding between the host and the guest except van der Waals forces. One important host molecules among the inclusion compounds is urea or ordinary crystalline urea is ordinary crystalline urea is tetragonal, but when a guest is present, urea crystalline in a hexagonal lattice containing the guest in long channel. Examples of guest molecules: 1 bromo octane, n octane, what 2 bromo octane, 2 methyl octane, 2 methyl 2 methyl heptane, no guest. The special in inclusion compound are in the shape of long tunnels or channels, while the other type often called clathrate or cage compounds. Cage compound. Cage compound have space that are completely enclosed. The most important host for clathrate is hydroquinone. 3 molecules held together by hydrogen bonding make a cage in which first 1 molecules of guest. Typical guests are methanol, SO2, CO2 and argon. In contrast to the inclusion compounds, the crystal lattice can exist partially empty. In both types, the guest molecules most fit into the space and potential guests that are too large or too small will not go into the lattice, so that the addition compounds will not form. नोट देखें, साइक्लोडेक्स्ट्रीन. There is one type of host that can form both channel and cage compound. This is called cyclotron. Next topic, non-classical carbonium ion neighborhood group participation. Non-classical carbonium ion anti-relation which between the neighboring group and the leaving group is essential for the book side attached as so. Hence, the nucleophile can attack only from the front side, leading to retention of configuration. Regarding the neighboring group participation Y, C double bond C, pi bonds, and C single bond C, and C single bond H sigma bonds. There has been a guest deal of heated debate over whether such bonds can act as neighboring group, and also regarding the existence and structure of the intermediates involved. These intermediates are called non-classical carbocation. In the case of classical carbocations, the positive charge is either localized on one carbon atom or delocalized by resonance involving an unshared pair of electrons or a double or a triple bond in the allylic position. In a non-classical carbocation, however, the positive charge is delocalized by a double bond or triple bond, which is not in the allylic position, or by a single bond. आज के लिए इतना ही.